Yeah, just a quick video to say, because in one of my recent videos I was asked about like unconditional love and in relationships that we can't just surely just put up with anything and like think that that's like love, you know. And I just want to say, like, that person was right, you know. Basically speaking, unconditional love is different than relationship. Relationships are conditional. We don't just get into a relationship with anyone who can do anything, say, think, do anything whatsoever to us or in general, and we're like, hunky dory, I don't mind. That's like called bypassing our emotions or pretending or spiritual bypassing. It's being fake or not real. Like, the reality is we don't want certain things, and we don't want our partner to be whacked out on drugs or like just possibly just, you know, having sex with everybody or just basically abusing themselves in a variety of ways or shouting at us every day. We don't, obviously there's like a million, I could keep going on and on and on. We don't want our partner to live forever in a different country than us and we just have a relationship from long distance for the rest of our life. We don't want our partner to be emotionally absent or just never do any growing or spiritual development, you know. The list goes on and on. We don't want our partner in a relationship to be sleeping in a different room or with different people every day of the week, etc, etc, etc. So relationships are conditional, but in all of these circumstances, the emotion of love, the unconditional love, that can be present. We can care and love and respect somebody. We can care and love for them. We can be considerate for them. We can care for them. We can love them. That can happen no matter if to do any of those things. But if to do a variety of those things or any one of those things even, we can still like not be in a relationship with them and keep loving them. But we can love everybody, but we're not going to be in a relationship with everybody. We can't be. So love is an emotion it's a way of life. It's a feeling with everything. It's feeling connected to and care for plants, Mother Earth Gaia, the environment, people, animals, dogs, pets, wild animals, insects. I love all of these things and humans, and we can do our best to love them unconditionally, despite things that we don't like or want with humans. So that's what we work on, by letting go of the dense and the heavy, things that hold us back and hold us down, and we can reach and feel unconditional love then, you know. So it's just a feeling, my friends, that's all. It's a good feeling state. It's a good feeling emotion. So don't confuse love with romance or love with having to be with somebody or putting up with stuff. It doesn't mean that. So yeah, anyway, I hope that video helps. We can talk more about this. Obviously we can work on things. We don't have to just abandon ship straight away. Everybody has a lot of things to work on and let go of or heal from. And in that process we can be caring, understanding, considerate, compassionate, unless it's like a big, huge, gigantic no-no, a total deal breaker where we break up. Nothing wrong with breaking up. We can be friends, or we can just be acquaintances, or we can not talk. They're all okay and allowed. But how we feel emotionally in our hearts, whether or not we're not talking or whether we are talking, is what matters. Our own spiritual development and growth. You know, becoming our higher self in the flesh. That's what it's really all about. Like, I feel good towards some people who are talking to me, but that's their consciousness and emotions. It's not mine. I feel love and care and respect, and I am kind to them. I be kind, behave kindly. You know, that's about me. Who we're be kind to is our business. It's our emotions. It's our life. It's our reality. Our emotional reality. If we're holding on to heavy feelings, it's us. It's our reality. Yeah, the other person may possibly sometimes, depending on who it is, like suffer or be upset if we're angry or holding on to a grudge or resentment or non-forgiveness. But when we let go of the heaviness of anger, non-forgiveness, resentment or grudges, the four holy jewels of the desert and the mountains and the sky and the sea, I just made it up, we're the ones who benefit. We're the benefactors. We're the trustees. No, not the trustees. We're the trusted benefiters. So yeah, that's all I want to say. Hope that's clear. Lots of love, but not lots of relationships. Beautiful day ever in Ireland. Hope you're having a nice day. Don't forget to friend me on Facebook, on Instagram, Odyssey, YouTube. Subscribe, like, share for others, please. Spread the word. Be giving. The more you give, the more you shall receive. Jesus was very accurate in so many ways. He really was. And of course, if you want any counseling or coaching or help healing, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual prosperity, abundance, mental, emotional, physical, spiritual, monetary, or healing from disease or illness. I do all of these things with a passion. I have books and video courses coming out on all of these too. So please don't be shy if you want or need the help. I am one of those people out there for you to possibly resonate with and knows there. So you're not alone. There's loads of people. So if you need my or others' help, do get the help you need. We're all here for each other. One team, one big team, one love, one family. The name of my YouTube channel at the moment. Heal yourself, heal your life, heal your family, heal your relationships, and heal your ancestry. I shall talk to you soon, my friends. Have the best day ever.